This guide shows you how to download and install Norad Track Santa on your Android phone or tablet. Now all you need to do is, with your phone or tablet open, just swipe up, and we're looking for the Play Store. There we go, Play Store just there. Tap that. When the Play Store has opened, then go to the search bar at the top of the screen, tap in there, and the keyboard will appear. And just type Norad in there, and straight away you can see in the suggestions it comes up Norad Tracks Santa. Tap on that and then tap install. Now this bit might take a bit of time, just depends on the speed of your internet connection and the speed of your phone or tablet. As you can see, mine's moving along quite well, indicated by the green line that's going round the circle there. As you can see, it's about 3/4 of the way through now, just coming up to 3/4. So I'm just going to leave it for a second, and hopefully it will be downloaded very shortly. And there we go, it's now installing. And again, this bit might take a bit of time, but it's quite quick on mine. And then all we do is we just tap open on there, and you will see the app will now open. And as you can see, at the moment there's not really much going on because it's still 10 days before Christmas when recording this video, but on the 24th of December you will actually be able to track Santa using this app. So there you go. I hope this guide helps, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on Twitter at CWTech. That's at CWTech on Twitter. And don't forget to check out my other videos in my YouTube channel. Just Google Chris Waite YouTube. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for your support.